Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This time it's gonna be AliExpress good and bad. We start with the good stuff. I bought this USB 2.0 extension cable and I was surprised there is actually some electronics inside. There is a IC with many pins and many of them unused. I got to say the trick with smearing a bit of the thermal compound over the top of the IC is working very well. You can see very clearly. I don't know if you can, but I can see very clearly. It's FE 1.1S USB 2.0 hub. So this IC is used for USB hubs, and in this case only one of the outputs is connected, but there are at least two uh, two more outputs that are not used. Uh, I tried it. It works with my USB flash drive. It managed some 39 megabytes per second, which is good, which means the 2.0 part works well. I've got the listing for it here. This is where I bought it from. The store is called the Top Department Store, and it cost $4 and some change and some shipping. I've measured uh, the uh, the standby current. It's 0.7 milliamps, and I measured the resistance, and it's 3 ohms, which is quite a lot. And really this would be usable only for the low power stuff, like the USB dongles and maybe flash drives, um, but only the low power stuff. I would say up to something like 100 milliamps and no more. But it was cheap. I like it. I'm gonna use it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hack this USB breakout board on the top or somewhere in it, so I can power it from some wall adapter at the place, so I can charge it. No, charged through it. You get it. Alright, that's this thing. Let's put it aside. Another thing I bought were these crazy glue bottles, but I was a bit surprised when I got them that they are really thin. Uh, all of them were uh, photographed like this, and I was like, hey, there's nothing in it, and there really almost isn't. It wasn't very expensive, not in any kind of shape, but uh, I just thought it's funny that they photographed it only from this side, not from this side. But I'm still happy with this purchase. All right, for the next stuff, I can sadly I cannot show it to you printed out because this this listing does not appear in any of the PC versions of the AliExpress. I really cannot find it there, but I stumbled on this uh, during some late night AliExpress shopping. Is it okay? All right. it's some long glue magic 3000 AC 8way outlet socket equipment, mains power supply, purifier, filter protection, sound system, energy saving. Wow, $4,500, $200 shipping. Okay. It's got a cheapy LED voltmeter, some magic power, magic power. But the fun starts if you look at the listing. It's why do you choose this socket? Why you deserve this socket? It's not a traditional filter. It's not an isolation transformer also. Not a second power supply. More not a voltage regulator. It's nothing, but it can improve the quality of AV more than 30%. Oh no. Important power of high-end audio system. Oh, there is some shit ass listing for it. On some certificate all in Chinese. Probably it's a diploma from swimming in 5th grade or something like this. And yeah, we got a Spider-Man. Here is all clear and here is all blurry. That's what it's gonna do. An actual test of product. There's some. What is it? Probably just the mains noise isolated, but whatever, man. That's not a problem. All amps and everything uses DC at the end, and yeah, huge big box with some outlets. Not really square. This one is a bit crooked. This is really something. $4,500 for a blue LED voltmeter. Magic 3000. There are many more audio of audio files blabbing, but this is almost too much for me. And the Spider-Man, that's only the icing on that cake. That's oh wait, not Adam today. Okay, but you get some nice cables, but why? Certificate of quality management. No. Enhanced battery charge. What? Improve the efficiency. Load current 80 amps, max power 22 kilograms, 22 kilowatts. That's really something. And I can wait. But all right, this is really some shit ass audio file foolery from the Chinese to the rest of the world, but it's just something I found funny, and I'll just out of it. But the thing is, alright, this was the bad part from the AliExpress. I'm gonna take my phone away. One moment, please. Alright, I took a photo. right. And for the last, it's the USB screwdriver. This is a old black and it's a really old Black & Decker electric screwdriver. It's probably 20, 25 years old. It's I think it's older than me, but the batteries were dead, and what I've done is put in one 25650 in it. It worked originally on the 3.6 volts. It was I've put in a USB charger, simply like this. Now we are charging, and because the DC motors in it, a DC motor in it can take quite a big current, so I couldn't use the overcurrent cutoff or the under voltage cutoff on the charging board, so I connected the motor straight to the battery across the switch with some fuses, of course, but I used the output from the battery protection IC as a power good indicator, and this LED only is only driven on something like 0.2 milliamps, really, really, really low current. But if you look straight into it, you can see it clearly. And when you got when you use it, you got to watch this LED, and when the LED goes out, it tells you the battery is really empty, but you probably know that just from change of the tone. But it works very well, and for the wrenching on my bench, it's more than powerful enough for taking many screws of something. Again, once again, LiPo or lithium batteries to the rescue of old electronics. It's not working for everybody, but when you watch around for the uh, fact that you can't undercharge the batteries, it works very, very well. So that is all for today. Thank you everyone for watching, and goodbye.